Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal for the week of October 10th through the 16th. We are going to be using the Beautiful Blooms, which is clear sticker book from the Happy Planner. They have finally sent me my missing order, so I have it. The only problem with this book is because the backing is clear, you need like a white sheet to actually see what the stickers are. So that's the only kind of problem I have with it. Outside of that, it's a really beautiful book. So without further ado, we're gonna get started, and I just wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time joining me here, welcome. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I can't wait to plan some more. So here we go. I'm just looking through these pages. Like I said, they are super gorgeous. If you didn't grab this book and you love florals, which if you are in my channel, most likely you like florals, so it might be a book for you as well. I pulled a couple more of those neutral books to see if I can accommodate some of these stickers in there. So I pulled Modern Year, which has lots of brown tones. I pulled Gratitude, and I pulled the Modern I think it's like Modern Wild or Animals, something like that. And of course I pulled the neutral Mojo Jojo, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Modern Year, and I grabbed one of the journaling boxes. I'm gonna place these clear florals on top, and we're gonna place that in the box. Look how beautiful, right? This is awesome. Okay, and then I'm gonna look for more flowers, and of course we'll go from there. So bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and add this Cherish and this nude box like so. I think it's simply beautiful. So once I layer flowers, it's so difficult for me to put everything straight. Okay, I think that works pretty well. As you can see, I do flip through quite a few of these pages as I'm going through, because like I said, not extremely visible when it comes to these clear pages. Okay, so brown journaling box, dark brown one. I'm gonna remove some of this brownness, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this beautiful circle. Like, look how pretty. And all of these flowers are like dark and moody, at least the ones I'm picking, to match the fall mood, because I don't necessarily want super bright flowers in the fall. So they're a little bit more moody, which I don't mind. And then we'll go from there. Okay, so I am playing with all of these colors for right now and adding a couple quotes. So the first quote said, "Live a life of endless wonder." The second quote says, "Happiness is found within." I don't know if it's just me, but these quotes are kind of on repeat with Happy Planner. I wish that outside of designing stickers, they would hire someone to design some newer quotes. But we'll see what happens, right? Okay, so I'm gonna add a few of these like round little circles. I think they're great to kind of fill in some of the spreads. I think they look super good. As I'm writing, there's a possibility that I might be adding more of these, so we'll see. For the time being, I do want to find a large box that's for journaling, like so. So I'm gonna put that one and take like a big one, so like this. Perfect. And then we can add a couple elements to it and go from there. Okay, so let's keep going. I think these florals are absolutely stunning. I wanted to put these, but they're a little too bright, so I'm gonna put them back and see if I can find something less summery. Oh, maybe I can do this. I think that would look nice. And let me take another one and see. Maybe I can like crisscross them. Oh yeah, that works. I think that looks quite lovely, to be honest. So I think that's great. I'm not sure what it is about the spread, but I am slightly struggling. It's quite different for me, and normally my spreads are super quick. This one is taking me a little bit and it's making me pause quite a few times, which is not my normal MO. But I do love how different it is from anything I have done, so I'm just pushing through and trying to see what I can create. Okay, so I want to add a couple more items here to fill in this spread. Oh, I like this dark florals with put your whole heart into it. So let's go ahead and place it down here. I'm just gonna remove part of the lines to get this in. I think that looks fantastic. And then let's go ahead and maybe take one of these like boxes and place it somewhere as well. Maybe not there. Let's see, sidebar. Maybe I can layer this. I love the layered looks. Let's see. Okay, I think that works. Actually, I like that cluster a lot, so we're gonna leave that be. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab maybe like this whole row of darker ones, like so. But before I do, maybe I can add like a little bit of washi. Let's see. It's going to be slightly more orange, but that's okay. I can live with that. So I'm gonna add a strip right there. Let's cut that. And then another strip on Saturday and Sunday. But before I do, let me place these flowers and see how that would look. So I'm just grabbing a couple things. Sorry. Okay. So let's place these down. I think that looks fantastic. I really do like it. And now I'm gonna do one on Saturday and Sunday to kind of contrast that. So let's add that washi really fast, like so. And then let's go ahead and remove the line and add some flowers as well. Yep, I think that will look good. Okay, outside of that, I think I'm pretty set. Maybe I can add a flower somewhere on Monday, like a darker one, but that's about it. I think for the spread, I think it's very, very full with lots of functional spots to write in, which is exactly what I want. And I'm going to be using dark colors of pens for this, so it's going to be great. So I need to add that dark purple tone into my spread. So I found these really dark flowers, the same ones that are under that quote, and I'm going to go ahead and add them horizontally to Monday, but it is long, so I'm going to cut it. That's where I was getting the cutter. Okay, perfect. And I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you for another video very, very fast, very soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week. Bye.